Hello team, happy new day, happy new week, happy new month. We are in the month of August, the 8th month of the year, and as we know, 8th means new beginnings. So let's all look forward to something new and amazing coming our way in this month of August. Right, I'd like to first of all thank you all for taking time off your busy schedules to subscribe to my channel. Thank everyone that commented on my video. I'd like to thank everyone that liked the videos, those that shared with their friends and their loved ones. Thank you so much. The love and the support, the encouragement that you guys showed me on my premiere was just it was just amazing. It's just mind-blowing. I want you all to know that I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. If you're watching me out there and you've not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified of every video I put out there, and keep your comments coming in. If you like the video, let me know. If there is anything you want us to discuss, feel free to let me know. Okay, my social media handles are below the video. You can contact me via email, Gmail. You can also put your comments out there. You can contact me on Instagram. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you want us to discuss. Okay, today I'd want us to have a look at a few things. I'd want to touch on a bit of myself. My name is Priscilla. Feel free to call me Prissy. I'm mom and a wife. I'm blessed with two lovely children, two lovely girls. They are just adorable, but trust me, they're a bunch of hard work. Right, I love plants. It's my latest obsession. I'm the eldest to my siblings, and I love the family unit, and I love children. Okay, so growing up, I loved playing big sis to my younger siblings, and I always wanted to have a lot of children. Whenever I had the opportunity, as in when I got married, I wanted to have a lot of children. In my adolescent stages, I want to take you a bit into time. In my adolescent stages, there were certain things happening to me that back then I didn't really know what it was all about. Okay, so there are certain symptoms that I saw that I would want to share with you today. And one is weight gain. I noticed that I would gain weight easily, but then I would struggle, irrespective of what I do, to let go of the same weight. And also I had excessive hair growing in a lot of places. So excessive hair growing in places that I wouldn't want them to be. Okay, naturally I am a very hairy person, so I had a lot of hair growing on my arms, on my legs, my chin, my neck area and all that. I also had acne, okay, which sometimes I still struggle with. And one thing, the main thing for me there was irregular menses. Yeah, my menstrual cycle wasn't that regular. And you all know that as females, naturally, you are meant, or most people, have their menses every month. But for me, the story was insane. So I would have for a particular month, and the following, nothing. Someone would say no show. Okay, so I had a lot of no shows. And I could go even into the subsequent month, the second or third, and I would go into the second week of that until I would have, my menses. And my menses also lasted for a very long time. So I usually or normally do like 8 days of very heavy flow. And so I spoke to my parents about this, and I remember back then, my dad took me to the hospital, and they just ran tests and waited to hear what the doctor had to say. And strange enough, the doctor really didn't say a thing. I remember all he said to us was I should try to be a bit more active and try and eat healthily. And then he said there was nothing for me to worry about. So that was me. Young Prissy came back home with my dad, went back to school. But I noticed, things really hadn't changed. But I just said to myself, I mean, even back then, because I was quite younger, I thought going through the menstrual cycle every month was a bother. So I said to myself, if it wouldn't come, I just can't be bothered. Okay. Little did I know that it was the onset of a medical condition. So as I said earlier on, I love children. So when I got married, my husband and I wanted to have a lot of children, obviously. So we, had planned out our family, how we wanted things to be. But then reality hit me. Okay. I came to realize that for me, the story wasn't going to be same as my husband and I had planned. It wasn't going to be same as I had played in my big head. Okay. So one would ask why. In the meantime, all these, symptoms were still existing. And then I had some all coming, I was experiencing mood swings and all that. So we went to see our family GP. My husband and I went to see the GP, and they ran several tests, blood tests, and all that. And when the diagnosis came out, we were told that for us as a couple, we would struggle to conceive or fall pregnant, for lack of a better word. We struggled to fall pregnant. So yes, we battled with infertility. My husband and I battled with infertility. At this point, I would want to urge all parents out there, young ladies out there, women out there, to pay attention to your cycle. Pay attention to your body. If you ever notice anything that is irregular, if you notice anything that is not normal, please and please again, don't hesitate to seek a medical opinion, because I believe is better things are known and diagnosed earlier and dealt with, rather than leaving things to chance, later into the future when there is not much that you can do about it. So please, if you notice anything unusual, anything that you feel or think is not normal, I mean, you lose nothing if you are wrong, but then there is everything to gain if there is something wrong. Please don't hesitate to seek a medical opinion. Okay, so in my next video, I promise to share with you what the medical diagnosis was. Okay, I'll share with you what the diagnosis was and what we had to do to go through our journey of infertility. Okay, until then, I would want to say once again that I appreciate you all for your love, your support, the comments, the likes, the private messages that people are sending me in an email. Thank you guys so much for the love that you've shown me. Okay, thank you so much for the love. Keep sharing with your friends, and let's create awareness. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's spread love and awareness. Okay. And there was one comment that someone wanted to know. One of my fans wanted to know why I went for the name The Eden Project. I promise to come your way sometime with a video to tell you more about why I chose the name The Eden Project. Okay, so if you have not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of all my videos. Let me know what you're thinking. If in the course of our conversations anything has come up that you want us to discuss further, please feel free to contact me. I'll see you all on my next episode. Take good care of yourself, and I want you out there to know that you are loved. Yes, you. See you next week. Bye.